Hello everyone, it's me, Christian, and welcome to the most ultimate game you've ever seen in my YouTube channel. It is revealing in 3, 2, 1, Universe Sandbox. That's right, I am playing the ultimate space game, which is Universe Sandbox. So you guys are probably wondering, Christian, how did he do that? Well, I got a PC, alright? I'm no longer on my tablet I will be posting videos on my tablet, but I'm not on my tablet right now. And as you can see from the mouse, I did buy a PC, and I also got Universe Sandbox on it. So most of you guys that are already playing, that are already watching this video, probably already know what Universe Sandbox is and how to play it. But if you guys don't know what Universe Sandbox is and don't know how to play it, don't worry, I will explain to you. So Universe Sandbox is basically a game which is you're basically God, alright? You're basically God in this game. You can do whatever you want in space. So, well, let me just show you one of the gazillion things you can do. So, for instance, if I want to launch, let's say if I wanted to launch, I don't know. Let's say if I wanted to launch Mars at Earth, you can do that, as you can see. So now the Earth and Mars are, and this, by the way, this is literally real. This is basically real life. Yeah, Universe Sandbox is basically real life. There's a couple things in Universe Sandbox that are not realistic, but other than those things, Universe Sandbox is basically real life. So this is what will happen if Mars hit the Earth in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, this is a lot more detailed collision than like other games like My Pocket Galaxy. My Pocket Galaxy is a mobile game, so it makes sense. If My Pocket Galaxy actually did all of this, then your mobile will explode in 2 seconds. But yeah, as you can see, this is really beautiful Earth. Really beautiful Earth. You can even see the collision from outer, like really far away. Like you can see like a really glowing like thing over here. And as you can see, this also shows like the solar system in a much more like detailed view. So yeah, but anyways, we're not going to be touching the solar system for today. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be opening up a new simulation. All right, we are going to be creating a solar system, which is basically completely terraformed. So what I mean by this, we're not going to like terraform all the planets in our solar system. We're going to create another like completely different solar system. So by scratch. So first, we need to pick our star. Duh. So let's go still because we don't want bad stuff to happen. What star should we pick? So like, I'm pretty sure like the terraform theme is like blue and green. So let's pick a star that's blue. So like, let's go Mirage. Yeah, let's go Mirage. Let's see how much stuff we can do to Mirage. All right. So if we go to visuals, you can also change the color. So instead of like this really cool blue, we're gonna go with like a cyanish, kind of bluish, kind of like green. No. There you go. Oh, that's the interference color. Never mind. There you go. Oh, that already looks so good. Keep in mind, you can also turn on habitable zones like this thing over here. And oh my god, Mirage has a really big habitable zone. But anyways, we're gonna be placing a planet. So since we have the star, we're not gonna place a planet. So what should we place? We're gonna go with like a random rocky planet for now. And we're gonna put this thing like right here. Yeah, right there. Oh my god. Okay, let's turn on orbits. So there you go. That's our first planet right there. And it's called It's 2. It is 2. That is the weirdest name I've ever saw. Stop. Yeah. Alright. So if we just so this is what the planet looks like. Alright, because it looks like really cyan because like, because of the star's lights. But if we go real here, and if we go directional light, you can also select another mode. This is what the planet actually looks like. Yeah. So oh my god, it is already terraformed right now. What's the light likelihood? Oh, orbits. You can also change out how fast it orbits, but you can also change how fast it spins. So we're gonna go 1 Earth today. So if we go to composition, okay, now the life like. So if you guys don't know what the life likelihood means, it basically means value. Okay, it basically means that like how much people can live on this planet. So right now, 42% of the people can live on this planet right now. All right. So if we turn off atmosphere and clouds, this is what the planet like actually looks like. This is what the planet like actually looks like from the surface. So, I actually want this thing to be like. All right, we're gonna go to the surface. We're gonna do this here. Yeah. So we're gonna drain the sea levels down a tiny bit. So now you can also change like how it looks. So like elevation map 1 right now is planet 10. We could go planet 6. Oh wow, okay. And for this we're gonna go planet 6 as well. Oh dear, that looks kind of terrible, I'm gonna be honest. Wait, what if I like we're gonna go with something like that. Yeah, that looks good. Oh my god, you can see all these 9,000 islands over here. Bruh. Oh my god, the life likelihood got up. Okay, so now what we're gonna be doing is I want this. I actually want this since this planet is like really close to like the sun. I mean not the sun, Mirage, our home star. We're actually gonna go with like a swampish kind of like planet. So we are gonna turn vegetation on. Okay, right now the life likelihood is 43%. That's actually pretty good. All right. So this is stuff. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna make this thing like swampish kind of thing. So we're gonna go like a greenish kind of like swamp color. So kind of like that. Yeah. This is starting to look good. And then for the vegetation, we're gonna go like somewhere around that. So as you can see, this is what the swamp planet looks like. And now we're gonna turn on atmosphere and clouds. Atmosphere, we're gonna go a greenish kind of like thing. And then for the clouds, we're just gonna leave it like that. And then, you can also add like city lights. Like you can, wait, what's the life likelihood? 43%. So like, oh my god, you can, why is there so little city lights? All right, let's randomize this. So if you want to randomize like the city lights where it like goes, you can just click this. So, all right, oh my god, why is there so many people living up in the north? That doesn't make any sense. I want to get like a nice kind of like spread out kind of like light thing. So like somewhere. All right, so we're also gonna change the city lights colors. So we're gonna go like a green color. Yeah, there you go. And then we're just gonna let's just Earth. Oh, you can also make the city lights like Earth shaped. So you can see there's Turkey. You can see there's Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran. That's kind of cool actually. All right, but we're not gonna go Earth. We're gonna go random. And then, what if I just type in the seed 99999? Okay, that's like barely anything. That's like barely anything right now. Well, what if I type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, that also isn't pretty much anything. Man, I want like a big blob. I want a big blob, like somewhere around like in the center. You know what? Yeah, that's what I wanted. It's like kind of like spread out. Yeah, sure, we're gonna go with that. We're gonna go like with a lighter green. So you can kind of see that. And that's It's 2. Yeah, that's the planet of It's 2. What? Okay, whatever. So It's 2 is done. So we have a planet that has life, which is also a swamp planet. So we're also gonna change like the trails. So as you guys can tell, Universe Sandbox is basically My Pocket Galaxy 2.0. You can do a whole lot more stuff than My Pocket Galaxy. But anyways, we have It's 2. Now we're gonna create another planet. So we're gonna create a planet like somewhere around there. Yeah, somewhere around there. Okay, so for this one, I'm actually planning like a golden kind of like, I'm planning on like a golden habitable planet. Yeah, a golden habitable planet. Oh, that's gonna look so good. You can also like change the tilt if you want. Okay, memory bulb edits. Alright, okay, whatever. That was weird. Anyway, so we're gonna kind of like rotate this thing. Okay, no. Let's go to this, and we're just gonna kind of like, okay, so as you can see, this is what I was talking about in like the start. You can see Universe Sandbox is not always realistic sometimes. So because like look at this is so unrealistic. Like the dark side, like the side where it's supposed to be night, is facing the sun, and the side which is supposed to be daytime is facing literally nothing, which is not something that should be a thing. Alright, but we're gonna change this. We're gonna ignore that. So, oh my god, this thing doesn't have an atmosphere. I actually want this thing to have an atmosphere, but we're not gonna do it for now. So let's go elevation map 1 and elevation map 2. I want to kind of like change it. So elevation map 2. We're gonna go planet 4. Ooh, yeah. And then we're gonna go planet 4 for this one. Yes, that looks so much better. All right, we're gonna go with that. And also, if you go to visuals and if you go to elevation, you can also like change like the mountains. Like you can see, this is a lot more mountainous, which I also like. So we're gonna do that. And now we're gonna change it to being pure gold. But first, we're also gonna have golden water because, well, we're obviously gonna make this thing habitable, right? Right now, the life likelihood is 0. Great. And we're also gonna change its size. We're gonna go 1.2. No, we're gonna go 1.02. The size of the Earth. So it's a little bit bigger than the Earth. All right, it's a little bit bigger than the Earth. So it's like basically like the golden super Earth, which is actually pretty cool. So now we're gonna add some water. We're gonna add golden water. Fancy. All right, so we're gonna kind of like go. We're gonna make this is. I don't like how messy this is. No, not that kind of messy. Not that kind of messy. Like actual like the mess. I don't like. You know what? Sure, we're gonna go with that. So for visuals, now we will go base color, and now it's time to turn this thing into pure gold. So we're gonna go the gold, like the colors of gold. So we're gonna go kind of like that, and then we're also gonna go kind of like that. Yeah, and for the water, we're gonna go like no, not that. Yeah, and then we're gonna kind of like darken it out. So like kind of like not that dark. We're gonna kind of like go that and make it like a little bit more like. It doesn't look like gold. I don't think that looks like gold. Wait, let's change this thing to like actually look like gold. So we're gonna go. Oh, why is it like orange? Somewhere around there. Yeah. I actually like that. All right. So now the life likelihood is still 0, but that's gonna change when we add an atmosphere to it. So let's add an atmosphere. Right now this thing has no atmosphere, but we're gonna add an Earth atmosphere. We're gonna go 1 atmosphere. Bada bing. And now, oh look at that! Just by adding the atmosphere, the life likelihood on this planet is already higher than the swamp planet. I mean, it makes sense, right? I mean, sort of makes sense. So right now, the life likelihood on this planet is 76%, which is actually really, really good. And for the atmosphere, we're also gonna go like a gold. We're gonna go gold. For the clouds, gold, pure gold. Just like that, we have the golden planet. I mean, let's get some city. No, not vegetation. Let's get some city lights on here, which I can barely see. Yay. All right, randomize. Yeah. Why is there like barely any city lights? That's not neat. Wait, what if I just like do like a gold kind of like thing? No. Oh my god. What did I? Oh, you can see Europe. Bruh. Alright, no Earth. Random. Can someone explain what's happening here? There's only a tiny bit of city lights, but it should be more. I mean, I guess I'll go with it, but we're also gonna make this thing rotate a little bit faster. So, where's the orbit? Yeah, here. Rotation. 3 days? No, we're gonna go 1 day. Nice. All right. And now if we go to composition, oh, now the life likelihood is booming. It's almost like Earth. This is almost like Earth. 91. I mean, it's almost 92. That's actually really, really good. Yeah, we're gonna keep it like that. And now we're actually gonna add the trails. We're gonna do the trails. Keep in mind, you can also add moons to planets in this game. So just like that, the golden habitable planets. Oh, I love that. I love that. We're also gonna put a moon. We're gonna put a golden moon around this thing. So we're gonna go around a small moon. We're gonna place this thing like 800 kilometers away. So you can see how far I place it, like from like right here, like you can, yeah. But anyways, so let's zoom into this thing. You can also land on its surface. Like if you just go C and click on the planet, yeah, there you go. So where's our mother planet? Where is our mother golden planet? Okay, it's nighttime currently over here. So we're gonna go like over here. Can I see the planets? Oh, yep. So if you turn everything off, like if you just turn everything off, you can actually get a really, really realistic view. So that is our mother planet right there. You can see it. And if we just land on the mother planet, I mean the golden planet, like if we just land on it, if I can, see, all right? And then if we just look up in the sky, I can't see the moon. I saw the star for a second. I saw the star. Oh, there you go. Wait, what is that? What is that? I saw like an orange thing in the sky. That was weird. Where's the moon? Where is the moon of this thing? What? Wait, if I go orbits. Okay, the moon's right there. Alright, the moon's right there. Orbits off. We're gonna land like where the moon is. Oh, you can see our mother star. That is Mirax right there. Can you see the moon? Wait a minute. See, oh, that's our moon. Oh, you can actually see it. Let's go, yay. All right, we're gonna turn everything on again. I don't know, but anyways, so we're also gonna turn on habitable zones. Yeah, buddy, the golden planets. Golden. Anyways, we're gonna make this thing golden. We're gonna do the same thing that we did for the planet. So we're gonna make it golden. All right, so we're gonna go, that's the two golden sun and thing. Okay, whatever. All right, anyways, base color, we're going to be golden. Yeah, I don't know how that makes any sense, but it makes sense to me. Anyway, so there you go. That's our golden moon right there. So just like that, that is our our second planet with our moon. So now you can like really get like a good view of this. Yup. All right, we got the second planet. Yeah, we're done the second planet. And by the way, you can also like rename objects. Like for Mirax, you can also like rename it. Like if it's click here. But I'm not too clever of coming up with names, so we're just gonna leave all the names like how they randomly generate. But anyways, now we're gonna create our third planet. Wow, we're actually surprised we're already at a third planet. Okay, we're gonna create our third planet somewhere around there. There you go. Ooh. Yep. And so this is all right. So now we're gonna go to the third planet. All right, over here. Why is this thing so small? Oh, it's a dwarf planet. Never mind. No. We're gonna make this thing 1.7 times the size of Earth. Whoa, okay. That's really big. So you can also get like a good like size comparison of all the objects. So if you just click this, there you go. So we obviously have the Gigantorum star over here. But then over here, we have this planet, the gigantic one that we created, and then we have the swamp planet, and then we have the golden planet, and then we have all the way down here. We have this itsy bitsy moon of this planet. But anyways, so, oh my god, okay, no. Alright, it's like that. So, for you, what shall we do for you? What shall? Okay, so we're actually like the outer habitable zone, okay? So for you, I'm planning on making like I'm planning on making a thing. What I'm planning to make is I'm planning on making like some sort of like a disco habitable planet, like some sort of like an alien habitable planet, like pink and like stuff, and yeah. So let me just show you guys what I mean. So first of all, elevation map. I do not like how this texture looks, so we're gonna change that. Planet 7. Sure, and then for elevation map 2, we're gonna go planet 16. Sure, we can work with that. Yeah, we can work with that. We're also gonna add some vegetation. Okay, never mind. Now we're gonna add some water, because we all know water is one of the key ingredients for life. So water. Alright, so this is gonna be like alien juice all around the thing. We're also gonna add some like, actually first of all, let's get rid of all the water. We're gonna kind of like balance it out. So we're gonna go to visuals. We're gonna go to terrain. We're gonna kind of like add some mountains. Oh, that's really detailed. That is really detailed. Oh, I did not realize Universe Sandbox was that detailed. So we're gonna kind of like go like that. Yeah, kind of go like that. And then for here, now we can actually add some sea levels. So kind of like, I don't like that way. I don't want there to be like 9,000 islands. So kind of like that. Yeah, kind of like that. Oh my God, there's like ponds. What? All right. So visuals. We're gonna add some vegetation. But now we're actually gonna change this. First of all, let's add an atmosphere. We're gonna add an atmosphere to this thing. So Earth, we're gonna go. We're actually gonna go 1.02 atmosphere of the Earth. Oh yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna make this look like an alien planet. So right now the life likelihood is, what is it? 87% already? What? Okay. Well, now I bet if I make it spin faster, it's gonna go up even more. So like if we go, where's the rotation? Okay, here it is. 8 days. That's way too long. All right, 1 day. And then if it is composition. Oh yeah. Wait, it got down? It went down for some reason. How does that make any sense? Wait, how about if I go 2 days? How about now? Okay, 82%. All right. So now we're gonna make this thing look like an alien planet. So for now so this is what this is what the thing looks like. The surface looks like. So for the vegetation, we're actually gonna go like a pink color, kind of like that. This is already kind of like starting to look like an alien planet. And then for the water, let's go water. We're gonna go like a purple color. Okay, that's way too purple. That's way too purple, man. Yeah, and then we're gonna kind of like darken it out. So like kind of like that. Yeah, look at that. And then for this is like a really weird looking alien planet. Sure, we can make it like a little like purplish blue as well. Oh yeah, that looks so good. That actually looks pretty good. And for this, we're gonna go a blue color maybe. And then we're gonna turn the atmosphere and clouds on. So this is what the planet now looks like. And then we're just gonna turn the atmosphere into like a really light pink. And then for here, we're gonna go a really light purple for the clouds. And for the trail, we're obviously just gonna go a kind of like purple kind of thing. So like bluish purple, kind of like that. Oh, I like that. Now for my goal for the system is actually to have 7 planets and 2 stars. Yeah, 7 planets and 2 stars. And I'm not gonna get done in this episode, alright? I'm not gonna get done in this episode. I will make a part 2 of that. So stay tuned for that. So now, Unox. Ooh, that actually sounds like a really alienic name. I actually like that. Alright. So let's go with some city lights. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, buddy. And for the city lights, we're just gonna go like a bluish purple. Yeah, I like that. All right, and now life likelihood 82%. I wonder how we can make it even more likelihoody thing. What if I, what's the average temperature on this thing? Oh, it's 25 Celsius. If we go Kelvin, I guess that's good. I guess that's good. Yeah, okay. Anyways, so now average temperature. Okay, we already looked on that. I guess that's our planet. Yeah, and also I actually want to add a ring around this thing. So if you guys didn't know, you can also add rings around planets in Universe Sandbox. So like, let's add we're gonna add just, I don't know, like an ordered ring. Yeah. And we can actually go to advanced settings and also change it. For the color, we're gonna go like a really bright pink. Like a really, really bright pink. It's like, no. So kind of like that. There you go. And then, color from manual, I think. Material, yeah, sure, silica. And then, now the inner radius, we're gonna go, kilometers, maybe? No, we're gonna go lunar distance. And then we're gonna go, I don't know, like 0.1 lunar distance for the inner radius. For the outer radius, so this is like how you make it bigger. So for the outer radius, we're gonna go lunar distance. If I can find it, yeah, there it is. And we're also gonna go 0.6, and then we're just gonna click this and add ring. Where's the ring? Hello, I ordered a ring. Where is it? What? Wait, add ring. Maybe I did something over here? Wait, what? No rings, hello? Maybe, what if I go at ordered ring? So I can order disc. And then we're just gonna go at advanced settings. Color, we're obviously just gonna do a light pink. And then for material, we're gonna go manual. Okay, so now, okay. We're actually gonna go 0.1236. There. All right, okay, then never mind. All right, and then we're just gonna go click add ring to Unox. Oh, look at that! Look at that! So this is what the rings of the Universe Sandbox looks like. So as you can see, we have a nice bright purple ring. Oh, I love that. Now that looks that makes it look an even more like alien planet. So we have like a habitable alien planet. That looks fancy. I like that. All right. So that's Unox. Unox, yeah. Okay, so the last planet for today's episode is gonna be right here. So like, if I just go, I actually want this thing's rings to kind of like stretch out like really far. Yeah, so we're gonna make like a super duper ringy planet. So we're gonna go orbit. We're gonna place this thing kind of far away from like all the other planets, like so the rings don't kind of like get like destroyed. So we're gonna kind of place it like right somewhere around there. Okay, Midach. Anyways, so for this thing, I'm actually planning on making like, what should we make? Okay, right now this thing looks nothing like a habitable planet. Okay, we're actually gonna make like a, I actually have no idea what to make for this thing. What if I go like, wait, what if I just go like, first we're gonna change its texture. So texture, where's the elevation map? All right. So, now we're gonna go planet 6 maybe? No, that looks way too messy. Planet 2. That looks way too messy again. Planet 1. Sure, we're gonna go with that. And then for, we're gonna go, I'm gonna make this thing like a Cyan habitable planet, like Cyan. So what we're gonna do, we're obviously gonna add like an atmosphere and like water and all that. So sea level, we're gonna kind of rise it up a little bit. No, that doesn't look good. Okay, well, what if I just go like, if we just go here, elevation span, what? Okay, that's weird. If we just go visuals and if we just go elevation, we can just, make that happen, and then we're gonna go surface. We're gonna go water. Water, where are you? Water. Okay, here. And we're just gonna kind of like add, and hopefully, yeah, that does look a little less messy. So we're gonna kind of go with that, and then we're also gonna add an atmosphere because yes, stuff. How big is this thing actually? It's half of the size of the Earth. You know what? Fine, we're gonna work with that. And then over here for the atmosphere, we're just gonna go. Since this thing's small, we're just gonna go 1.4 atmosphere. No, 1.6 atmosphere actually. Oh God. I told you this thing was small. Wait, what if it goes 0.3? 0.3. What the? No! That's not, no. Universe Sandbox, are you drunk? Are you drunk or something? 0.3. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. All right. So now this is what the planet actually looks like. Oh God. Okay. I actually kind of want to like tilt this thing. So we're gonna kind of like tilt this thing like somewhere around. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. All right. So now we're gonna go like a cyanish kind of like planet. So we're gonna go kind of like, ooh, that's way too cyan. That's overkill. All right, we're gonna kind of go like, yeah, like that. And then we're gonna add some vegetation, all right? And then for the vegetation, we're gonna go like a greenish cyan kind of like thing. Yeah, kind of like that. Oh, I like that. For the atmosphere, I'm just gonna leave it on, like just like that. For the atmosphere, we're gonna have like a cyan kind of like tint. Yeah, I like that. We're just gonna leave the clouds like, I mean, maybe you could change the clouds. There you go. And if we go here, the life likelihood is 37%. That's actually not too good. Wait, let's see. Okay, so the rotation period. Oof. We're gonna want to change that to like 0.9 days maybe. No, not 0.9. Okay, so that's spinning slower, and then okay, now it's 37%. So like, what if I go 1 day now? What if I just go 1 day? How's that gonna affect it? Oh, that's 36. Okay, so I guess we do want like 0.9. All right, so it's gonna spin a little faster now. So now visuals. Maybe, I actually don't know why this thing's like really thing. Okay, for the trails, we're obviously gonna go like a cyan color. You know what, I'm just gonna leave like 37%. Yeah, all right. Yes, okay. What is that name? It's a Stasi, okay. All right, thanks for telling me that it's a Stasi. If that makes any sense. All right, now it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. We're gonna add absolutely gigantorum. I don't even know that's a word, but we're gonna add absolutely gigantorum rings. And we're actually gonna go like a cyan color from material. It's gonna change it to manual. All right, now we're gonna go astronomical unit. Actually, I don't think I want to go that overkill. So what we want to do, we're gonna go. I want the wings to kind of like stretch out like. Kind of like this far. Oh my God, okay. 7.11 AU. All right, I have to remember that. 7.11 AU, 7.11 AU, 7.11 AU, 7.11 AU, 7.11 AU. Okay, I think that's getting annoying, but we're just gonna go AU. If I can, what is this? Do you guys see that? Is that like a pink, what? Oh, I think that's like the rings. I don't know. All right, so astronomical unit, and we're gonna go 7.11 AU. There you go. And then the color, we're gonna go manual. But what are these things? Oh, okay. Onyx's rings are kind of like getting ejected. All right, that's cool. And then we're just gonna kind of like go a cyan color. All right, and we're just gonna select this, add ring. Oh no. Did something happen? Huh? What the? I think something happened. Wait, what? 400? What? No. 7.11 AU game. So like, oh god. What the? Okay, now add rings. Oh, that looks so beautiful. Oh, there you go. And you can obviously see it's like a cyanish color. Oh my god, these are the biggest rings ever. These are the biggest rings ever. What? Oh wow. What happened to Unex's ring? Okay, the Unex's rings are still there, alright? They're still there, Unox. Oh my god, what? These are what you call Gigantorum rings. And we're also gonna add some city lights to this thing. So if we just go here, surface, go visuals, alright. City lights. Yay. And we're just gonna go like a cyanish kind of like color. And we're gonna kind of randomize it. Randomize. Oh damn. Okay, yeah, kind of like that. Oh my god, these rings are absolutely Gigantorum. Are they gonna get pulled by the star? I mean, oh my god. And I guess that's all I have for you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Oh my, what the? What is all this? What is all this? That's not good. Wait a minute, if we just go object, I want to delete that. I actually kind of want to delete that. Wait a minute. What is all this? What? Alright, we're gonna ignore that for now. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I actually have no idea how long this episode is, but I feel like it's pretty darn long. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everyone.